Messaging can help companies grow their business by making it even easier for their customers to get the answers they need.
This is Conversations with Zendesk, and today we're chatting with John Ross about proactive messages, which let you message your customers before they reach out to you.
Placed at the right time, a proactive message can actually avoid an escalation to a more costly channel.
Zendesk makes proactive messages easy. With just a few clicks, you can create a message, choose whether a human or bot responds, and define when and where customers get the message. No coding required.
So if a company has a widespread issue, like maybe some sort of systems outage or delivery delays or something like that, they can put a proactive message on their homepage that informs them of the issue, and then if they interact with that message, they can get additional information.
Being proactive isn't just about playing defense. It also turns your agents and bots into sales reps.
If a customer has a shopping cart full of goods but are hesitating on the checkout page, that can be a chance for your agents to answer any questions that are preventing the customer making a purchase decision there and then. If you make it easy for your customers to find answers to the questions they have, if they can get support in a quick and efficient way, they're the kinds of companies that people like to come back and deal with.
Learn more about proactive messages on the Zendesk blog.